Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Lake Echo is a residential community located within the Halifax Regional Municipality, about 20 kilometers east of downtown Dartmouth. The community is centered around the large freshwater lake that gives the area its name and is known for its combination of suburban convenience and natural surroundings. Over the years, Lake Echo has grown from a small rural settlement into a popular place for families and commuters who want easy access to Halifax while enjoying a quieter lifestyle. The history of Lake Echo dates back to the 18th and 19th centuries when settlers established farms and homesteads throughout the region. The abundance of forests, lakes, and fertile land made the area attractive for agriculture and forestry. Early residents relied heavily on natural resources, and many families built their lives around farming, timber harvesting, and small local businesses. The community takes its name from Lake Echo itself, one of the larger freshwater lakes in the Halifax area. The lake has long been an important feature of the community and continues to play a central role in recreation and local identity. Residents have used the lake for fishing, boating, swimming, and other outdoor activities for generations. One of the most significant events in the area's history occurred during the 20th century when Lake Echo became known as a destination for paddling and water sports. The lake was used as a training venue for canoeing and kayaking events and remains associated with recreational paddling today. Its calm waters and natural setting make it well suited for these activities. Today, the population of the broader Lake Echo area is several thousand residents. Growth has been steady as people continue to move into the community from more densely populated parts of the Halifax region. Residential subdivisions have expanded while preserving many of the forests and natural spaces that define the area. Employment among residents reflects the diversity of the Halifax Regional Municipality. A large number of residents commute daily to Dartmouth, Burnside, or Halifax for work. Housing in Lake Echo has become increasingly desirable due to its combination of lakefront properties, larger lots, and convenient location. Average home prices generally range between $500,000 and $800,000, depending on property size, age, and location. Waterfront homes and properties with direct lake access often sell for considerably more. Today, Lake Echo continues to balance growth with preservation of its natural environment. The community's freshwater lake, outdoor recreation opportunities, rich history, and convenient location have made it one of the most attractive residential areas in eastern Halifax Regional Municipality. Its combination of natural beauty and modern convenience continues to appeal to both longtime residents and newcomers alike. Thanks for watching!